Hey there, party people! In this video, we're going to be looking at two examples. Both are word problems with continuous compounded interest. So let's go ahead and read our question. Sophie wants to buy a Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat just like Billie Eilish, so she's going to invest her money in a savings account with a great interest rate of 9.4% compounded continuously. She's hoping to be able to buy the car in 48 months. The car costs $78,295. How much money does she need to invest to reach her goal? Well, let's start by looking at this formula. A is going to represent our final amount, what we're going to get. So that's this right here. Our final amount that we want is $78,295. P is going to be our principal, or how much we need to invest. And that is what we're looking for. How much money does she need to invest? So we're solving for P. E in this formula looks like a variable, but it's actually a number. E represents a number just like pi represents a number. And then we can come to R, that stands for rate. Our rate is 9.4%, but we don't want to plug in the rate as a percent. We want to plug it in as a decimal. So we'll divide by 100, or you can move the decimal over 2 places, and that will give us our rate. The last thing in this formula is T for time. Our time is 48 months. But in this formula, we don't want to plug in time as months. We always want to plug it in as years. So let's divide by 12 and see that we get 4 years. All right, let's start solving. I'm solving for P, so I want to get P by itself. So I'm going to divide both sides by e raised to the 0.094 times 4. On my right side, these numbers cancel out, and I'm left with P. On the left side, I'm going to plug this number into my calculator. 78,295 divided by e raised to the 0.094 times 4. When I plug that into my calculator, I get 53,757 and 53 cents. So this is how much Sophie needs to invest if she wants to buy that car in 48 months. So good luck with that, Sophie. That's a big chunk of change. All right, let's look at example number 2. Rachel Green really wants to buy a new refrigerator with a custom nugget ice maker so that her coconut Dr. Peppers will have the delicious ice nuggets they deserve. So far, she has saved $545, and she decided to invest her money in an account with a 6.3% interest rate compounded continuously. The new fridge costs $2,976.10. Will she have enough money after 3 years? Okay, so there's a lot of numbers in this problem, and we need to fish out first what the question is actually wanting us to find, and second, what numbers we need to use. So let's look at the end here. It says, will she have enough money after 3 years? So we're looking to see if this number matches the total cost of the fridge. Rachel has saved $545. So that's going to be our principal. That's what she's going to invest. She's going to invest $545. We know that E is just a number, so we don't have to solve for anything there. And our rate is going to be our interest rate, right? But we want to plug that rate in as a decimal, not as a percent. So we'll divide by 100. All right, there's our rate, 0.063. Okay, our last thing is our T. We need to figure out how much time. She says that she wants to have the fridge after 3 years. So in this one, it's already in years. We don't have to change it. So we're hoping that this is going to be enough money to buy our fridge, right? So let's calculate. Go ahead and plug into your calculator 545 times e raised to the 0.063 times 3. So what is our final amount going to equal? Our calculator says that our final amount is $658.38. So let's answer the question. Is she going to have enough money after 3 years? Nope. Alright, great work today, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave me any comments or questions. I love hearing your questions. If you have a question about another topic, go ahead and send it to me, and I would love to help you out with that. Have a great day.